Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to a fix map not showing correct location, how to fix it. So if you're using a Google Maps and the Google Maps a in like the accuracy is so low or not precise, you can fix it. Make sure you turn on the location on your settings here and close the map first, and you can hold the maps apps and go to the apps info, hold the maps icon here and tap on storage usage here. Try to clear cache and clear the data. After that you can reopen your map. Oh yeah, one things, please update the Google Maps regularly on your Google Play Store or App Store to get a better experience on Google Maps. Here, as you can see, the map is precise, it's very accurate. I'm on Bali right now, Indonesia. So this is how you can fix the accuracy of your Google Map. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle the text button below. See you in the next video.